guys, welcome back. In today's video we are gonna do a Sunday refresh, and instead of doing it indoors, we're gonna do it outdoors. I am gonna be washing the concrete, the floors, the same thing, right? The table, the chairs, have it all washed, and I'm also gonna wash some flamingos. And the other day I did vlog at Home Goods. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, go and check it out. You can see that I got super obsessed with this flamingo theme, and I bought a few items. I'll show you guys maybe later today. So I wanted to have them washed, painted, and a nice refresh. And then we're gonna get some sunshine during this week. But first I am gonna do some green juice right now because I feel like it's perfect for this sunny day that we have right now. And then I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So let's get started. This pineapple is so good. My mom picked a good one. These look so pretty. I just love these vibrant colors of vegetables and fruit. We have Bella in the house. We have Kiwi and Lady. Come on, guys. Let's walk the premises. Yes, I know you're happy that we're outside. We need a refresh here. Like, look at this. It's so dirty. Hey! She almost knocked down my drink. It's so dusty. It's been like that for the longest. And we get crazy wind here. And I also want to wash the floors, so I don't even know if I should put some sandals or just rock with the sneakers because they're comfortable. And then I want to wash this right here. My dad built this a while back and I love it. I think it's so cute, aesthetically cute. My dog chewed this up. She's just crazy. So let's have a little walkthrough on the yard. Let's go say hello to the flamingos back here. And honestly, I feel like maybe just washing them. You know what? No, maybe I should paint them because it's a little rusty there. So this is how our backyard looks. We have nice plants. We have these, I don't really know certain names for plants. That is destroyed by Kiwi. Let's see. A lot of stuff is actually destroyed because of her. She's such a troublemaker. Oops, now we have Bella barking. Look at these beautiful flowers right here. They're so cute. Look at her. Hi, Bella. Yep, so it is hard to maintain a yard with dogs, not gonna lie. We have this thing for hummingbirds. We see them once in a while, but they actually like the nectar that is from the lemons when it has like the flowers. So this is our lemon tree. Look how big it is. And I think some of them are already ripe, so I'm gonna probably bring some down later on. You wanna play ball? We have to get stuff ready though. Okay, at least this one, okay? Get it. Good girl. Look at her. Put my green juice up here to keep it safe. And my gum. Oops, one's down. Okay, so I just washed the flamingos as you saw. So I'm gonna let them dry and see if I could paint them later. I'm gonna see, because it's already 1 o'clock. Like, this is crazy, time goes by fast. I'm gonna finish my green juice. Look at these cuties. I'm telling you, I fell in love with the flamingo stuff. Okay guys, so I wanted to share what I got at Home Goods the other day. So I ended up picking up this picture right here with the flamingos. Look how adorable this is. I love this. It has 2 flamingos on each side, so it's very nice to have that. And then this one was $9.99. And like I said, I can't wait to fill this up with agua fresca. Another item that I picked up at Home Goods are these plates. They are plastic. It came in a set of 8, which I'm surprised. And it says indoor or outdoor. And this one was $9.99. And for 8 plates, I thought that was a steal. And I just love all the flamingos. I'm telling you, I'm going with this flamingo theme like no joke. Now at Home Goods, I ended up picking up 4 cups, but I ended up leaving those and finding this pack right here. It does have that pink color. It is so adorable. And this set right here was also $9.99. And I think it just looks cute with this little set right here. I feel like I'm gonna end up going back to Home Goods to see what else they have. Now I also picked up this at Home Goods. It was like that Home Goods and TJ Maxx combined store. And this one is a shea butter sugar scrub. And this one was $5.99. And I just want to smell like a coconut. And I also picked up this one right here, this coconut frosting. I think this smells so good. I already opened it and I actually already tried it. I just really want to smell like a coconut, guys. And this one was $10.99 and it's from that brand Philosophy. And then last but not least, I picked up one of these, what are these called? These little oil things from Bath and Body Works. So I got the mahogany teak wood. I got 2 of those. And then I also got the laundry day. Oops. So I got 2 of the laundry days. And then last but not least, I got one of the butterfly one. And oh my goodness, I am obsessed with this scent. I actually want to go back, well, when they have a sale, to get another one of these because this smells so good. And then last is this cucumber melon soap. I got this one as a free gift, and this one is $1.95. I love the packaging, and you could even display this in your bathroom if you wanted, or use it. It smells so good. I guess I'm ready for these spring and summer vibes. And that is it with the little haul, but I think I'm gonna go back inside, grab a bowl or basket, and fill it up with some lemons because I have a lot of lemons right now that need to be picked. So let's go grab a bowl. I'm gonna be grabbing some lemons, but look at the bowl I decided to grab. Trick or Treat, and it has a cute little pumpkin. This one's from Ray Dunn that I got years ago. No, short. Look at all the lemons I just picked out. They are so cute. And excuse my dogs, they are so loud. They're playing. Okay, I ended up switching shoes just because my white ones got wet. Let me set this bowl here. So nice to have organic fruit at home. We are seeing the first flowers of our plum tree, which are ciruelas, and I can't wait for them to grow. I would just come in the backyard to grab some plums, so that's exciting. And then we also have our orange tree back here.